So, what's up guys? Action Gaming here. So, we're here to predict Lakers versus Clippers game for tomorrow. So, let's go. Lakers 36 wins, 21 loss, 4th on the West. So, Clippers 32 wins, 26 loss, 6 in the West. When Friday, February 28, 2025 at 10 p.m. Eastern Time, which is 11 a.m. March 1, 2025 in Manila. So, we're cryptoarena.com. So, there will be no home court advantage for these two teams because both of them are coming from the Los Angeles, California. So, yan, walang nakakalamang dyan sa home court. So, spread, Lakers plus 4.5, Clippers minus 4.5, over and under 220. So, ayan. Health and availability for the Lakers, Maximilian Kleber out, Ruby Hachimura day to day. So, last game we saw Ruby Hachimura didn't return after nung siya ay ma-injured. So, hopefully Ruby Hachimura will play for tomorrow's game. So, for the Clippers, Norman Powell will be questionable. So, for me, kung hindi makakalaro si Norman Powell, malaking bagay ito para sa Clippers. So, may chance na mas malaki talagang impact ni Norman Powell kaysa kay Rui Hachimura. Though Rui Hachimura also has a big impact on the Lakers, especially on the defensive and offensive side. So next, so momentum. LA Clippers got the win in their previous game. A 122-117 triumph occurred on the road at the United Center when playing Chicago Bulls. The previous 10 games featuring these teams have resulted in 6 Clippers victories. So, lamang sa panaling Clippers sa kanila sa head-to-head. The Clippers have 4 wins and 6 losses in the past 10 games. While the Lakers won their last game, 111-102, making it 4 victories on the bounce. These two teams last met at Intuit Dome, with the Lakers claiming the win, beating the Clippers by 122-97 scoreline. The Lakers have won 8 and lost 2 of their last 10 contests. So, ayan guys. For me, the momentum is with the Lakers. I'll side with the Lakers for the momentum kasi grabe naman yung ginagawa nila. Dire-diretso. Tapos, nung naglaban sila ng Clippers, wala pa dito si Luka. So, their matchup between the Lakers. Tapos, tinambakan pa nila. So, ano pa kaya ngayon yung andito si Luka? So, for me, Lakers plus 4.5. So, yung wala nga si Luka, tinambakan nila yung Clippers lalo na nung andyan si Luka. So, the defense of the swarming defense of Lakers will be too much for the Clippers to crack. So, for me, Lakers plus 4.5. Let's see for tomorrow, but for me, Lakers plus 4.5. So, if you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe this channel for you to be updated whenever I post videos like this. So, thank you guys. Good luck sa mga ads, sa mga pick.